In this lesson, we're going to look at how to import questions from a Word document into ExamView. So I've started by creating a Word document. I'm going to open that up and show you how I formatted this in order for it to work. And if you need more tips on the formatting, if you open up ExamView Import Utility, which let me show you where that is. It's under All Programs, Applications folder, ExamView, ExamView Import Utility. So I'll go ahead and open that, but there's a help menu in this right here. If you click on that, it will talk about what kinds of questions you can have and what the formatting is. So this link right here shows you the formatting, but I'll go over it real briefly here. Let me close this help and minimize this screen for now. I guess exit out of that. Okay, back to my Word document. I have a title, Chapter 1, and I have section headings, and so I have two true-false questions, so I had to type true/false on its own line. And then I start with number 1, I type the question, and the answer I have to put capital A and S colon, and then whether it's true or false. So the question is, Times New Roman 11 should be used. The answer is true. They recommend that you use Times New Roman font for your questions. I have used other fonts in it and it did work, but might as well go with the recommended. Number 2, clip art or pics can be imported as well. The answer is true. This picture should show up in my test when I import it in. Okay, now I have a multiple choice question, and I had to put this multiple choice header here. I don't have to explain what a multiple choice question is or how to answer it. That will be done by ExamView. The Word document must be saved as a .doc, .docx, rich text format, none of the above, and the answer is C, rich text format. So when I'm done with this, typing it all out in Word, I'm going to save it as rich text format. We'll do that in a minute. Multiple response, so there's more than one possible answer for this question. When exporting a test, what is exported with it? Fonts, yes, that's true. Pictures, yes. Formatting, yes. Grades, no. So any A, B, or C answer will be correct for that question. Okay, my test is done, and I'm going to do a file, save as, and notice where I'm going to put it. I'm putting it in this folder on my desktop called Word Import. Here's the name of it. It's not a Word document, it's a rich text format now. I want to convert it to that. I'm going to save it, and it already sees one that I practiced on earlier, so I'm going to replace that one with this one. And I'm done with Microsoft Word. I'm done with this folder, and I need to get my ExamView Import Utility opened up again. So here it is. Start All Programs, Applications. And here's the wizard. I'm going to click Next. And I'm going to start at the bottom. If you've used ExamView, you're familiar with this process. My test is on the desktop somewhere. And I want to choose desktop for this one too. I can't go any deeper than that with this. Select that, and here's my folders on the desktop. It's in this folder, so I open that up. Here's my test. I'm going to select that one, puts it into this box, and I'm ready for the next step. Here it's just asking me about formatting of the test, if I want columns, the types of answers or questions that I have, and so on. Here again, it's asking about fonts and the style of the question. Click Next. It's checking my keywords to make sure I have true, false, like that, multiple choice like this, and so forth. It's fine. And I'm ready to import. Importing Word questions to ExamView already exists. Do you want to replace them with the one you're importing? Yes to all, because I already did this once before when I was practicing. So, import completed. Alright, I'm done with the import utility. Now I'm ready to go to ExamView. So I'm going to close this completely, and I want to show you on my desktop I now have this file right here, and it's a question set. So that's what I'm looking for when I open up ExamView. It took my Word document, created this question set. So now I go to All Programs, Applications, ExamView Pro, Test Generator. And I'm going to create a new test. I'll type it Practice Test. Select Next. And I need to find that on my desktop. So I choose Desktop here. Here it is. Here's the question bank. Chapter 1. Select that. Click Next. And I want all of these questions, so I'm going to select all of them. Select Next and Finish. And here's my test in ExamView. So question 1, question 2, my picture came in. Here's my multiple choice and my multiple response question. Looks good. I am done. As I said, the Help menu can give you more information about the formatting, but that should take care of it. Thank you.